I have an untitled poem, but it's about peace and what I think about peace and how others should think about peace. Peace, the healing calmness that balances you to find your happiness. Without peace, your soul is hollow like a mist on a foggy night. Everybody has peace, but some find the warming calmness of peace faster, as if they climb a tree like a master, to bring their life a lot more ease. If you have peace, you have power. Peace is what guides you, like the seed that blooms into a flower. It's what brings your life together, and with that peace you could die tomorrow and be pleased. As times go by and days turn to night, we will all be waiting, but the dark deserted night is a fright. People who don't have peace are scared because we speak our mind. They make it seem like it's a crime. But we're standing tall, not afraid. With peace we are all brave. We stand tall, covering everyone. We look over people. We are bright and happy, and soothed with mellow. But sometimes it's hard for us to follow. The beauty is like no other. Peace is like a rainbow, but the colors are soothing. With the colors we stand out, we have yellow as our sun and blue as our skies, and people will never not be able to see us. Peace stands out. As we speak our minds, we will not apologize because our happiness is our power. We should stand tall and smile to be here. Peace is a beautiful thing, and life is the longest thing you'll see. Be happy to be alive. Anything you want to be, you should follow. Peace is so equivalent to life. You always need your happiness. Find your peace.
Our next poet is